Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Ads account to YouTube. This connection is essential if you want to run video ad campaigns, track performance metrics, or promote your content directly through Google's advertising platform. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, turn your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find the Tools menu. Go ahead and click on it to expand the available options. Once the Tools menu expands, you'll see several categories and settings that help you manage different aspects of your account. Look for the option labeled Data Manager and click on it. This section is designed to help you connect and manage various data sources and platforms that integrate with Google Ads, making it easier to streamline your advertising efforts across multiple channels. You'll now be directed to the Data Manager dashboard. This is where you can view all the products and platforms currently connected to your Google Ads account. Take a moment to scroll down through the page until you see a list of featured products available for connection. These are platforms that Google Ads supports for integration. From this list, locate YouTube and click on it. This action will initiate the linking process between your Google Ads account and your YouTube channel. To start linking your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel, you'll need to select which YouTube channel you want to associate with this account. In the search bar provided, type in the name of your YouTube channel. This ensures that you're connecting the correct channel, especially if you manage multiple channels. Once you've found and added your channel, click Next to proceed to the following step. For the next part, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the YouTube channel owner. This step is important for verification purposes and ensures that the person linking the accounts has proper authorization. Type in the email address carefully, then click Next. Double-check that both the channel name and email address are entered correctly before moving forward, as any errors here could delay the linking process. Once both the channel and email are confirmed, you're almost done. All you have to do now is click the link button. This finalizes the connection request. After clicking, simply wait for a confirmation message to arrive in your email. This message will verify that the linking process is complete and that your Google Ads account is now successfully connected to your YouTube channel. And that's it. You've now linked your Google Ads account to YouTube, opening up new possibilities for video advertising and audience engagement. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.